Let's pretend you wanted to have a row of pictures going up the wall that match the same slope as this railing. All you do is put that on there. Once it stops wiggling, it's right at 42 degrees. Then all you do is take a straight edge, and however high you want the pictures up on the wall, just put this on the wall till it gets to 42 degrees. It's that simple of getting this slope matched on this wall in the quickest possible way.
This is really an incredibly useful tool. I'll go ahead and put a link in the description below the video here in case you want to pick one of these up. I think they're 10 or 11 bucks, not too expensive. It has degrees on one side. You flip it over and it has pitch, so you can find the pitch of a roof, the angle of anything that's slanted, and do it in a super quick and easy fashion.
One of the more obvious ways of using this, put it on there. So just on the side there it says pitch, inch rise per 12-inch run, and it's just above the 9, right at 10. The pitch of this roof right here is a 10-12. Really nice to be able to find that without trying to hold a level here and then counting off inches on this side and counting inches off on this side. This is just way more simple. Within seconds I can find the pitch of this roof. You could even use it on your woodworking projects. Let's say I wanted to replace that board right there and I've got that angle. So all I gotta do, put a pitch and slope finder on there. You can see it's right at, say, 32 degrees. Off of level or horizontal, this angle right here is 32 degrees. If you remember from good old math class, when you have a right triangle, so say this line right here, over here, flat, if we can find this angle, then we're going to automatically know that angle with the right triangle, all of them. That's 90. These two equal another 90. So altogether, that's going to equal 180 degrees. Let's say you had a need to duplicate this board. What you do is take this degree finder, pitch finder, that is right at 40 degrees. If that's a 90, you come straight across here. This angle right here is 40 degrees. Then that angle right there is 50. So 40, 50 is 90, and another 90, that's 180. Really handy little tool to do all that figuring super fast.
When everything's all said and done, just slide it into your pocket. It's super lightweight, real convenient to carry around the job site.